Let's explore how to use Docker Compose logs. This will help you view logs from all the services running within your composed application. You can effectively monitor and debug multi-container applications with this tool. To view logs from all services defined in your Docker Compose file, simply run the command docker compose logs. This command aggregates and displays the logs from each service, providing a centralized view of your application's activities. Just type $docker-compose logs on your terminal. To target individual services and view their logs, specify the service names after the docker compose logs command. For example, running docker compose logs web will show only the logs from the web service. You can also view logs from multiple services by listing their names, like docker compose logs webdb. This will display logs from both the web and DB services. These commands help to focus on specific parts of your application for easier debugging. To stream logs in real time, use the follow flag, which is -f with the docker compose logs command. This allows you to see new log entries as they are generated, providing an up-to-date view of your application's behavior. Simply run docker compose logs -f to continuously stream logs from all services. This is useful for monitoring activity and diagnosing issues as they occur. To filter logs by time, use the since flag with the docker compose logs command. This allows you to view logs from a specific time period. For example, running docker compose logs --since 30m will show logs from the last 30 minutes, while docker compose logs --since 2h will display logs from the last 2 hours. This is useful for narrowing down logs to a specific time frame when investigating issues. To achieve precise control, combine multiple flags with the docker compose logs command. For example, running docker compose logs -f since 1h web will follow the logs of the web service, streaming only the entries from the last 1 hour. This lets you focus on specific services and timeframes simultaneously, improving the efficiency of your log monitoring and debugging. To efficiently manage your logs, implement best practices such as limiting the number of lines displayed. For example, using the tail flag, which is $tail followed by a number such as 100, with Docker Compose logs will show only the last 100 lines. Use filters to reduce noise and focus on relevant logs. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.